everybody. My name is Kızkın. I will demonstrate my EEE102 digital design term project. I designed a clever garage door for counting cars, and also without the need of human, I will open my garage door by detecting the car goes in or goes out of the garage. Now I will show you my components. I used 4 components. 2 of them are infrared sensors, one of them is servo, and one of them is HCSR04 proximity sensor. I will count my cars with this proximity sensor, and I will detect the cars with these infrared sensors. After detecting the car either from this side or this side, I will make the servo open by 90 degrees by sending a pulse which is approximately 1 millisecond and waiting for 20 milliseconds after that. Also, the basics of counting cars is that now imagine that there are 2 lines behind the proximity sensor. As you know, one car will goes in through the garage and one car will goes out of the garage in this line or in this line. So I will use this little information for counting cars. If my proximity sensor detects a car between 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters, I will increase the car count by 1. Or if my proximity sensor detects the car between 6 centimeters and 10 centimeters, I will decrease the car count by 1. But the trick is that, as you know, my HCSR04 will send signals every second. So if I put my car more than 1 second, as you can think, every second it will increase the car by 1. What I did is that I did 2 temporal values, which one is for car and one is for detecting the gap. After the gap, my sensor has 250 microseconds to understand if the car is from line 1 or line 2. So I provided with this information. I blocked the counting car every second and increasing the car count with the same car twice or more. Now I will demonstrate it with my car. Here's my car, and as you can see, these my car count digits, and there are 0 cars currently in my garage. I will approach through my proximity sensor, and now I'm approaching. As you can see, car digit goes up by 1 and only 1. I put over 1 second, and that didn't increase the car count. Now I will try my infrared sensors, also my HCSR04. As you can see, garage door goes up by 90 degrees and my car digit goes up by 1. Now I will go out from the other side and I will try to decrease the car count by 1. Also try to open the garage from this side. Now I will test this sensor. As you can see, my sensor is working properly. Now I'm going through the garage and quitting the garage. As you can see, my car count decreased by 1. Also the same thing is applied to decreasing car 1. Even though I would put more than 1 second my car, that wouldn't matter because it works only once every car. So that's all. Thanks for listening to me.